Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is Monday, 20 October 2025. First trading day of the week. Let's take a look at VIX here, the CBOE Volatility Index. Currently it's 18.87, minus 9.19%. This indicates a very bullish price action for the current stock market here. As expected in the watch list here, quite a number of my stocks are having a positive gain here. So some significant moves I can see is SoFi plus 6.44%, GLD plus 2.8%. It has already crossed the 400 mark here. So that's a sign that gold is quite bullish here. KTOS plus 3.67%, Salesforce plus 4.10%. However, CRWV minus 3.97% and NBIS minus 2.06%. We have AMD here also gaining uh, quite uh, a good percentage here, like plus 3.85%. And we have Somehow and Poet plus 1.92% and 6.7%. So these are the stock tickers that are in my watch list that are experiencing quite a significant moves. And let's take a look at some of the trades that has been placed before I made this video. Okay, so let's take a look about GLD here. I closed out 50 contracts at the strike price 370 expiring October 31st. And then I opened 25 contracts at 380 on the same day itself. So I took off some deep downside exposure that has already done its job already. So why I rolled from 370 to 380 is actually moving the strike closer to the market spot price, which is actually 400 now. So this wasn't really a hedge move. It was just a recalibration. It's just to trim the tail risk while tightening my theta range. So now I'm actually running a more clean, more efficient GLD line, closer to the spot, faster decay, and still fully structured. So overall here, I still gain a net positive about 400 to 500 USD here for doing so. Next, we talk about JD here. So JD, I actually kept it quite mechanical. So just close my puts at 37 strike price, expiring October 31st, and roll it to November 14 at the same strike price at $37 here. So all in all, I got about uh, 0.32 cents credit here for doing so. So there's nothing changed in my exposure to JD. It's just gaining more time value for doing so. So JD is still sitting in my valuation band. So the goal is to keep the wheel turning. So extend theta and then let consistency compound. So next, we have AMD here. So AMD, I bought back uh, the 25 contracts at 225, and then I reopened my positions at 230 at the same 25 contracts here. So gaining a credit of about 2.1 here. So it's just a full tactical re-entry. So I cleared the old exposure and then a roll up to align with the bullish flow and the higher gamma pocket here. So AMD now it's about 240-ish here. And also I added in more puts, adding extra 5 contracts of AMD at 230 expiring October 24, gaining a premium of 2.3. Why I chose this strike price is because premium is about 1% of the strike price here. So this is purely for short-term yield capture here. So I have 2 layers here, one strategic and one tactical, both keeping me positioned near support, but also maximizing the time decay across the different expirations. Yeah. Next, I have Poet here. So Poet, I just stole 100 contracts at credit about 0.26, 0.27, expiring at October 24, 2025 at the $7 strike price. So this is very simple, just a repeatable short-term setup that complements my heavier positions. This micro trades on Poet is to keep the cash flow steady and capital flexible. So I think that's all for today. So just to summarize, every ticker here plays a role today. So for GLD is to reduce deep risk and tighten the range. For JD is to extend the time and to stay consistent. And AMD, it's more of a roll up plus short dated convexity. And Poet here is just for weekly income. So it's just to ensure that my capital keeps working efficiently here. So I think remember to like this YouTube video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell. So if you are following these daily breakdowns, so just as I mentioned, hit the subscribe button, comment which ticker you want to know about, and so um, have a great day, everyone. This is SG Options Diary. So um, signing off here.